My screen visible? My screen is visible.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
visible, madam. Please you.
A very good afternoon. Good afternoon, ma. In the last class, I'll explain to the cultures, different culture. What is the pure culture? What is the tissue culture? These are things I'll explain. Now today I'll explain to the what is the mother spawn. How to prepare the mother spawn. After that one, I'll go to tomorrow. What is the oyster mushroom? First, what is the mother spawn? I'll explain. In this mother spawn, basically spawn. What is the meaning of spawn? That is the spawn term. Meaning of spawn actually refer to the fingerlings of fish, but here spawn meaning the vegetative mycelium. The meaning of spawn is called vegetative mycelium, network of a mushroom developed after the germination of one or more than one fungal spores. These grows on a convenient media. It compresses of the mycelium network along with the supporting media, which provide nutrition to the fungus for its growth development. This is called the spawn. What is the meaning of this much is called the spawn. What is the production of spawn in the mushroom cultivation? I already discussed as already discussed in the earlier lessons. What is spawn? How to these are here. The pure culture of a fungus can be raised either by the spore print techniques or tissue culture techniques. Yesterday class I'll explain what is spore print techniques, tissue culture techniques. Once pure culture techniques, particularly mushroom established or produced from some reliable sources are present. These process production of mushroom spawn involves in the different steps. Preparation of stock culture and master culture. These are the main preparation of the spawn. Here, what is main thing is the mother spawn. In this mother spawn, before in this one, I'll share it another one, ma. 1 second. Yeah, okay. Okay. Here, spawn preparation of the spawn. Mushroom spawn is a must be very commercially value is their purchase unless it provides by extension centers also. In this spawn preparation, first I'll how to spawn preparation of master. First is the stock culture is the most important in this preparation of spawn. The stock culture is the very important, most important. What is the master the prepare stock collection or preparation of master? Both our names are same. And the when the spawn preparation, in that before you can do the first is the master culture or stock culture. How to prepare the stock culture? See here, preparation of master culture or mother culture. Today I'll explain to the mother culture. In the spawn here, mother culture and bottle cultures are both are mother spawn and bottle spawn both are present. But I'll explain to the today what is the mother spawn. Here in this mother spawn is carried out under completely sterile condition. You can to maintain the both to total completely sterile conditions. Pure culture raised either. Yesterday class I'll explain what is the pure culture, what is the tissue culture. In the mother culture, mother spawn, first if you're the raised for the pure culture, the pure culture raised either from tissue or spores. You can take in this one tissue culture method or spore culture method. Anyone to take the methods in this master stock or stock culture is inoculated in a suitable substratum. Here, what is the suitable substratum? First year, I'll explain to the preparation of master culture. or stalk culture. In this is a spawn. The first culture is the master or spawn culture. In that master or spawn culture, preparation of master culture or stalk culture, this one is called the mother spawn to prepare. In this mother spawn is carried out under completely sterile condition. In the next step, pure culture raised either form tissue culture method or spore culture method. These two yesterday I'll explain. Okay, in the preparation of mother spawn, the first you can select it any culture, any type of culture. That is the most, the basic culture is the pure culture. Under pure culture, two cultures are there. One, you can take either tissue culture or spore culture. After the, you can pick up the any one culture, is inoculated in a suitable substratum. Here, what is the substratum? Main here, you can take the, in case spore culture, wheat, sorghum, ray, these spores you can take that one. That is a suitable substratum, the preparation of mother culture. Okay, which provides food to the mycelium. Why can take this one? These are wheat grains are to provide to the food to the mycelium. As you know, mycelium meaning the fungal plant body is called mycelium. Okay, these are the preparation prepared to the before mother culture and prepare. How to prepare this one? 10 kgs, but here 3.2 kgs is the okay, but I'll explain to the first 10 kgs of wheat grains. In this culture to prepare 10 kgs of wheat grains are boiled in 15 liter of water. How much you can take? The first 10 kgs of wheat grains, any wheat grain, sorghums, ray, anyone you can take. But it will take, tell the wheat grain, 10 kgs of wheat grains are boiled in 15 minutes of water for 20 minutes. The first step, you can select it the any type of grains. And in that grains, you can measure it 10 kgs. This is the first one. After you can take the wheat grains or any grain are boiled in 15 liters of water in 20 minutes. Second next step, water is then drained off and the grains are put over the sieve or on a wire, the wire mesh, grain to the wire mesh trays for 8 to 10 hours to dry. After boiling stage, you can dry the total seeds for mesh with the wine mesh or different type of, you can take the mesh, different type of the mesh you can utilizing. After graining, these trays are 8 to 10 hours to dry. When the grain, after graining of the these method, these are wheat grains are that one to dry to the 8 to 10 hours, maintain to the time also. After a removal of the excess of water. Now next step, grains are now mixed with gypsum. Gypsum meaning calcium sulfate is called gypsum. Germinate rate mixing of the spawn also 1:1 ratio. Before in this one, you can add to the gypsum. Gypsum, what is the meaning of gypsum? That is the calcium sulfate. And add to the chalk powder, that is called calcium carbonate. Gypsum is called the calcium sulfate and chalk powder meaning that is the calcium carbonate at the rate of 2% and 0.5%. The gypsum you can add 2% and chalk powder you can add 0.5% respectively on dry weight basis. These are things you maintain to the dry base maintained. Here it can be germinate rate mixing also 1:1. And in case sometimes both are the rice hucks, and here rice hucks you can take, but wheat or any grains you can take. Next one, here in this one, after the basis are completion of 10 kg of dry weight grains will require about 200 gypsum and 50 chalk powder. In case 10 kgs dry weight, you can take the seeds. This one, these seeds you can take the 10 kgs. In that time, you can to add the gypsum and calcium, the gypsum and chalk powder. Requirement of gypsum, you can add 200 grams, and add to the chalk powder is the 50 grams chalk powder. You can add it, and this will help to check the pH value also. After that one, you can check pH value and medium pH value 7, always to maintain 707, and the medium and also prevent sticking of grains which one another. The grains are filled into of or on the 1 liter glucose. The grains are filled into half or 1 liter glucose bottles. These are you can add to the bottles or and polythene covers also. You can utilize glucose bottles or any PP bags, polythene bags, which are plugged with a non-absorption cottons or sterilized cotton, 22 sterilized cotton balls also can absorb. These are things to under the sterilized condition, 22 IBP in pressure cooker or autoclaved 1 to 2, 1 hour to 2 hours. These are bottles are polythene covers. Bottles are sterilized in autoclave. Polythene covers, you can add the some clean to the alcohol. 100 percentage of the 50% alcohol can utilize to the polythene bags. Allow to the cool down overnight. Next day, bottles or PP bags inoculated with the bits of agar medium or colonized with the mycelium pure culture. These inoculated bottles or inoculated polythene covers, after 7 days, bottles or covers shaken vigorously, so mycelium threads are broken and become well mixed the grains. The next one, the 2 weeks after inoculation, bottles are ready. Stock culture further multiplication spawn to ready. These multiplication spawn, one bottle stock culture or master culture or mother spawn, both are named same. Bottle of stock culture or master culture or mother spawn culture is a sufficient to multiply 30 to 40 grain bottle or PP bags you can prepare. In this one here, these are bags to prepare PP bags. And next one, see, preservation bags, how to preserve in this one. Next one, room temperature also you can make. 1 minute. See, these are the mother spawn, how to prepare, I'll explain. But what is the laboratory condition you can mother spawn to prepare in the laboratory condition? Here the spawn compresses mycelium. After complete of this is the mycelium is the fungal plant body of the mushroom and supporting media which provide nutrient to the fungus during its growth. The yield and quality of spawn is governed genetic makeup, the strain, and the technology is introducing to the used production. This is the mother spawn introduction. What is the layout of the total laboratory? What are the equipments are to utilize? The extract area spawn laboratory would depended on several factors or area. You can take the area is the 90 into 30 into 13 cm. This is the area. You can take the area, can easily house a moderate spawn unit. In this area, you can modify to the spawn unit, moderate to the spawn unit. The lab is divided in 2 different work areas. In that area or in that lab or in that room, you can divided in 2 different areas, work areas. One is the cooling or autoclaving room. Second one is the inoculation room. What is the cooking or autoclaving room? The second one, inoculation room. Our incubation room is insulated with air condition, washing area, store office, and one cool room. Cold room facilities also to can provide and storage to the spawn material. This is the layout of the mother spawn. What are the equipments to utilize? See here, these are equipment can to the main important. One first you can take the autoclaves, two steamed autoclave. This is the electrical or steamed operator. In case here you can don't not two autoclaves is not there, you can utilize to the pressure cooker also. The second equipment, boiled vessels, one or two boiled vessels are there. And third one is the laminar airflow. I'll show the in the first class. What is the laminar airflow? Here you can in the tissue culture time you can utilize the these laminar airflow. And set the next one, refrigerator, BOD incubator also very must, very important of the BOD incubator also. And pH meter to maintain always pH is a 7. And some glassware meaning here petri dishes used utilizing petri dishes, test tubes, conical flask. And chemicals, yesterday I'll explain PDA, MEA, and calcium, the calcium sulfate, calcium carbonate. These are chemicals are to utilize. And non-absorption of the cotton. The after filling of spawn, in the bottle, I can under bottle to pack to the absorption of the cotton. And sometimes you can to use the PP bags also. Polypropylene bags or bottles, both you can utilize. Bags or bottles, PP bags or bottles. PP meaning polypropylene bags. And air condition equipment and steel rod. These are total to the utilizing to the preparation of mother spawn. In the mother spawn planting, how to planting of the mother spawn? What is the preparation? The second next step of securing the pure culture or cultivated mushroom from tissue culture. Let's know tissue culture or spore culture preparation of mother spawn. You can take any one culture, also known as that. See, in case to ask the question, stock culture, mother culture, master culture, mother spawn. These all names are same. What is a stock culture or master culture? Another one, mother spawn culture. Mother spawn, how to prepare the mother spawn. These are the same names. And planting material meaning mycelium grow in suitable substratum. These are the preparation and the planting spawn. What is the mother spawn method commonly in India follow? 10 kg of wheat. Let's know the 10 kg of wheat or sorghum grains are boiled in 15 liters of water for 10 to 15 minutes time and allowed remain soaked hot water. The time is to maintain 15 to 22 minutes without boiling. Only first boiling is the water is the this much. After boiling, can to add the with boiling water only hot water. In the hot water soaked 15 to 25 minutes without the boiled water. Next one, water is drained off over wire netting or dry slightly. After these material, when the drained material is there, in that material you can add to the 120 grams gypsum and 30 grams lime. Gypsum meaning the chemically calcium sulfate. And the next one is this one, lime or chalk powder, that is the calcium carbonate. Both are mixed with 9 kg of boiled grains. The total, these two are mixed with the 9 kg of boiled grains. The gypsum prevent the sticking of grains. Very important, this one. We can, why can it add this gypsum? Always to prevent to the sticking of the grains together, and lime to adjacent of the pH. That's why you can to add the both gypsum and lime. And next one, after that one, the grains are filled into the half-liter milk of or glucose bottles. You can take any one glucose bottles or Any bottle, sterilized bottle or PP bags, 3/4 can capacity. Bottles are plugged with the non-absorption of the cotton and sterilized 20 to 22 IB. This is the what how much of degrees you can sterilize? 120 degrees centigrade for 1.5 hours. These bottles are to sterilized. After sterilized bottle, you can take the out from the autoclave while still hot and are shaken. Avoid clump formation. The bottles are immediately transferred to the inoculating room or chamber and allow cool down overnight. The next day, bottles are inoculated with 2 bites of agar medium colonized. You can, yeah, as you know, what is the agar medium? In yesterday, pure culture and tissue culture, how to prepare the agar medium, I'll explain. Potato dextrose agar, malt dextrose agar. You can take the any agar here. After these are preparation to inoculated in the agar medium, colonized with the mycelium of pure culture raised either by the tissue cultures or method or spore culture by putting the culture bits just opposite and each other inner side of glass surface of middle of the bottle. After 7 to 10 days, you can observe to the inoculation bottle, shake to the vigorously and you can observe to the mycelia. Yeah, threads are you can observe to the mycelium threads are broken and mixed with the grains. The 3 weeks after incubation, the stalk culture become ready for the multiplication of spawn. One bottle of stalk culture is sufficiently multiply 30 to 40 polyphenol bags or bottles. These are total to incubated to the 25 to 10 degrees centigrade. These are to the mother spawn preparation. These are the two preparation of the mother spawn. How to mother spawn planting? Planting also most important step to the in the mother spawn. The techniques arising planting spawn, the same for the stalk culture. Yesterday I'll explain to the stalk culture. Same here also you can maintain to the stalk culture except the instead of the glass bottles and polyphenol bags may also be used in the container and filling grains. Inoculated bottles or polyphenol bags are incubated. The degrees is 20 degrees centigrade and into 3 weeks after inoculation, spawn become a seedling compost. In the planting media spawn, the finally seed compost to form. In the how to quality of spawn to maintain. Many qualities are to the qualities are to arising for the maintenance of spawn. That should be fast growing of compost, early cropping array or the casing of high yield should produce the better quality of mushroom. To maintain the quality, spawn grower should take the care the different following maintenance are there. The first maintenance, select a high yield, early producing and better sporophore quality strain preparation of spawn. Next, second one, select unbroken and good quality grains of spawn production. Third one, boiling grains done according to the procedure to maintain 48 to 50% moisture in the grains. pH, as you know, 6 to 7, maintain the pH, and to add the chemicals, calcium carbonate and calcium sulfate, gypsum, that one. Prepare mother spawn culture only, do not multiply. Here, this is a very most important point. You can only preparation of mother spawn culture. No, do not the multiply spawn to multiply from spawn to spawn. In case you can prepare the multiply spawn to spawn, you can here the spawn color to change to mother spawn to multicolor spawn. That's why do not to prepare to the multiplying spawn. And the next step, Inoculation should be done double times closed at the airtight inoculation room under laminar airflow, and shake inoculation bottles thoroughly. In incubate, 20 incubation time, there is a degree centigrade is a 24 to 26 degrees growth of mycelium. Next one, contaminated spawn room is the short out the remove the contaminated bottles from spawn room regularly. In case you can observe any contamination bottles are there in that room, you can remove the in contamination bottles regularly in the room. Next one, store the full grown of spawn 3 to 50 in the cold stored, or in the total after completion preparation of spawn, you can to store the in cool condition, that is a refrigerator 3 to 5 degrees centigrade to maintain, and better in the or refrigerator, but for not more than 2 months. These also so very important. Only can when prepare, that's way in the when preparation of spawn, mother spawn, any spawn, you can write down the bottles or bags and back the date, time, and year also. Can write the name, write the what type of spawn, what is the date, what is the time. Can write down. It's very easily to identify. And it generally spawn prepared. You can do the very Java, many different types of grains are you can utilize. They should proper coating mycelium grain used to the mycelium to preparation of the spawn. See, mother spawn, how to prepare. These are the mother spawn preparation. This I already explanation is completed. How to mother spawn preparation are there. See the mature mother spawn culture. This is the mature mother spawn cultures. Yes, sir. Today my topic is completed. Shall I leave, sir?
Okay, madam. Thank you very much. Please, if you have any doubt, please ask our respected resource person, madam.
Now, one meeting is there.
Shivarani, madam, and Renuka, Meghana, Monica. Is there any doubts? Please you ask. Otherwise, madam is going to leave.